Hey Cancer, before you read another word, take a breath, because what you're about to hear isn't random. You didn't stumble onto this message by accident. Something in your spirit was called here, quietly, gently, because your time for restoration has finally arrived. There are moments in life when the universe doesn't shout. It whispers. And if you're a Cancer, you know what whispers feel like. You feel them in your chest before you understand them in your mind. You feel them late at night when the world is silent, but your heart is loud. You feel them when you smile for others, but cry when no one can see. And right now, the universe is whispering your name. You've been carrying so much for so long. More than anyone realizes. More than you even admit to yourself. You've been the emotional anchor for others, absorbing their pain, holding their fears, carrying responsibilities that were never meant to be yours alone. You've been strong in ways that exhausted your soul. And still, you kept going. Still, you showed up. Still, you loved deeply, even when love cost you pieces of yourself. But something is shifting. Not loudly, not suddenly, but powerfully. This is the season where what you lost begins to return in a new form. This is the season where the tears you cried in private become the seeds of your healing. This is the season where the heaviness you've been carrying finally starts to lift, slowly at first, then all at once. You may not see it yet, but restoration has already begun. You've recently felt different, haven't you? Maybe more tired than usual. Maybe more emotional for no clear reason. Maybe more reflective, thinking about the past, about choices, about people who once mattered deeply. That's not weakness. That's preparation. When the soul prepares for healing, it revisits the places where it broke. You've been walking through an invisible threshold, leaving behind a version of yourself that survived and stepping toward a version of yourself that finally gets to live. For a long time, you've been stuck between what you were and what you're becoming, holding on to memories that no longer fit your future, holding on to pain because it felt safer than letting go, holding on to people who taught you lessons, but were never meant to stay forever. And that's one of the hardest truths for a Cancer to accept. You love deeply. You attach deeply. You remember deeply. And because of that, endings feel like betrayals, even when they're actually blessings in disguise. But listen closely now. Everything that walked away from you made space for what is finally coming toward you. The universe is not taking from you anymore. It's giving back. Not in the same way you lost, but in a way that heals you deeper than you imagined. You've been asking silently, when will it be my turn? Your turn for peace. Your turn for stability. Your turn for love that doesn't hurt. Your turn for success that doesn't drain you. Your turn for rest that doesn't feel guilty. And the answer is now. This is the chapter where you stop surviving and start restoring. You may notice small signs at first. Unexpected opportunities. Conversations that feel aligned. Doors opening where you thought walls were permanent. People entering your life who feel familiar, like you've known them in another lifetime. These aren't coincidences. These are confirmations. Your energy is changing. Your frequency is rising. And when a Cancer heals, the world around them begins to respond differently. You're stepping into a phase where your sensitivity becomes your superpower again, not your burden. Where your intuition guides you toward the right people, the right places, the right decisions. Where your heart stops bleeding for everyone else and finally starts beating for you. But let's be honest for a moment. Healing scares you. Because if you heal, you can't stay in the old stories anymore. If you heal, you can't keep excusing the ones who hurt you. If you heal, you can't keep hiding behind being the strong one. If you heal, you have to step into your light, and that means being seen. And being seen feels vulnerable. But restoration doesn't happen in the dark. It happens when you allow yourself to stand in the truth of who you are now, not who you were when you were wounded. You're not the same person who cried themselves to sleep last year. You're not the same person who begged for love that didn't return. You're not the same person who doubted their worth because someone failed to recognize it. You are wiser. You are stronger. You are softer in the right ways now, and braver in the ways that matter. This season is about rebuilding your inner world. Not for others, not for approval, but for peace. And as you rebuild, something beautiful begins to happen. Your boundaries become clearer. Your voice becomes steadier. Your heart becomes calmer. Your choices become more aligned. You stop chasing what drains you. You stop explaining yourself to those who refuse to understand you. You stop settling for half love when your soul is built for depth. This is your restoration era, not just emotionally, But spiritually, there's a quiet blessing hovering over you right now. One you can't rush, one you can't force, one that arrives exactly when you stop doubting yourself and start trusting your path. You don't need to control everything anymore. You don't need to carry everyone anymore. You don't need to prove your worth anymore. You only need to allow. Allow yourself to rest. Allow yourself to receive. Allow yourself to believe that after everything you've endured, something good is finally unfolding. And it is. Right now, there's a quiet moment that happens just before everything begins to change. It doesn't come with fireworks. It doesn't arrive with loud announcements. It slips in gently, like the first breath after a long cry. That moment is where you are right now. You may not feel fully healed yet. You may still wake up with old worries sitting on your chest. You may still carry memories that tighten your throat when you least expect it. But something in you has already shifted. Something subtle. Something powerful. You're no longer asking, "Why did this happen to me?" You're starting to ask, "What is this preparing me for?" And that question changes everything. Because restoration doesn't erase your past. It transforms it into wisdom. It takes every tear, every disappointment, every heartbreak, every moment you felt unseen, and turns it into the strength that will now protect you. You didn't go through what you went through to stay broken. You went through it to become unbreakable in the right way. Lately, you may have noticed a strange calm beginning to settle in your life. Not perfect peace, not endless happiness, just less chaos inside your mind. Less urgency to fix everything. Less fear of being alone. That's your soul exhaling. For the first time in a long time, you're not running anymore. You're not chasing love. You're not begging for validation. You're not shrinking yourself to fit into spaces that were never meant for you. You're arriving back to yourself. And when a Cancer comes back to themselves, they remember who they truly are. Someone deeply intuitive, fiercely loyal, emotionally intelligent, and spiritually strong. You are not fragile. You are tender. And tenderness is not weakness. It is the courage to feel in a world that teaches people to numb themselves. Your restoration is teaching you something sacred. You don't need to harden your heart to protect it. You just need to honor it. In this new chapter, you will begin to choose differently. You'll choose people who feel safe instead of excitingly unstable. You'll choose peace over chaos. You'll choose growth over comfort. You'll choose truth over pleasing others. And yes, that will cost you some relationships, some habits, some versions of yourself that once felt familiar. But it will give you something far more valuable. Freedom. There is a future version of you that is already grateful you didn't give up during the nights you cried silently. There is a future version of you that looks back on this moment and says, "That was when everything started to turn." Because this is the turning point. Not because everything suddenly becomes easy, but because you finally become aligned. Aligned with your worth. Aligned with your intuition. Aligned with your divine timing. You don't need to rush anymore. What is meant for you is not running away. Love will meet you when you stop chasing it. Success will find you when you stop doubting yourself. Peace will settle in when you stop replaying the past. And right now, restoration is teaching you patience with yourself. You are learning how to rest without guilt, to say no without explanation, to choose joy without apology. And the universe is watching you do this with quiet pride. You may not hear applause, but every time you choose healing over hurt, you receive something even greater. Alignment. So as you move forward from this moment, carry this truth gently in your heart. You are not behind. You are not late. You are right on time for the life that is finally ready for you. Let this season be the one where you trust your intuition more than your fears. Let this season be the one where you believe in your worth without needing proof. Let this season be the one where you stop waiting for permission to be happy. Your restoration has already begun, and the most beautiful part of your story hasn't even been written yet. If this message touched something deep inside you, let that feeling be your sign. A sign that your spirit is awakening. A sign that your journey is aligning. A sign that you are ready to walk forward with faith instead of fear. Honor that moment. And if you feel called, take a small step of connection. Like, comment, and subscribe. Not just as support, but as a sacred gesture. A way of telling the universe, I am ready to receive what's meant for me. Because you are Cancer, and your time for restoration has finally arrived.